Check out how Eureka G-Code simulates your handwritten G-code and the real-time editing tools that are at your fingertips. You can simulate your G-code as you write it in the Eureka editor. By using the Set Next Line tool in Eureka, you will not have to constantly restart your simulation to verify your code. You can compare stock to your part model as you program, giving you the graphical feedback you are accustomed to with CAM software. It reads your handwritten G-code the same as your CNC machine, giving you the confidence that your handwritten program is error-free. Eureka will give you an accurate cycle time estimate that will help you ensure your bids are profitable.